If you want to know what cleaning and maintenance the De'Longhi Magnifica Plus requires, this is the video you're looking for. We'll show you everything honestly and in full detail, so you can decide whether this is the right coffee maker for you. With the De'Longhi Magnifica Plus, just like with almost any coffee maker, you'll need to empty the grounds container from time to time. Specifically, this machine can hold up to 14 used coffee pucks, which is a fairly large capacity and very practical because you won't need to empty it too often. Another thing to keep in mind is that the machine performs a rinse cycle to clear coffee residue from the internal circuits every time you turn it on and off. So you'll need to empty and clean the drip tray about every 10 drinks. As for the milk container used to prepare milk-based drinks, although it does include a self-cleaning function, honestly, we don't think it's especially useful because it only cleans the dispensing spout. As you can see, milk residue still remains in the rest of the system, so you'll need to clean it after each use. You can wash the parts by hand or in the dishwasher, but the less convenient part is that the system is made up of several pieces that you'll need to detach, clean one by one, dry, and reassemble once you're done. It's not especially complicated, but it is one of the less appealing aspects of this coffee maker in everyday use. Another important part of maintaining the Magnifica Plus is cleaning the brew group. About every 2 months, you'll need to remove the water tank and open this door on the right side of the coffee maker, where the brew group is located. To take it out, simply press the red tabs and pull it out. As you can see, it has some coffee residue that needs to be cleaned. You simply need to rinse it thoroughly with water, dry the brew group, then slide it back into place and press it in gently. I also want to mention a problem you may run into. If, when you open the door, the brew group is in a position that doesn't allow you to remove it, simply turn the machine on, then off again, so it moves into the correct position and can be taken out. Also, when you carry out this process, it's a good idea to take the opportunity to clean any coffee residue that may have built up inside the machine. And additionally, as with most coffee makers, you'll also need to descale it from time to time. This will vary depending on the type of water you use, but to give you an idea, the machine usually requires this process every 2 or 3 months. In this case, it's worth mentioning that descaling is easier on the Magnifica Plus than on some other De'Longhi models, because the screen guides you through the process with clear step-by-step instructions. And that would be the basic maintenance this coffee maker requires. It's true that cleaning and maintenance are never the most exciting part of buying a product, but it's important to know that all coffee makers with built-in grinders require maintenance very similar to what we've just seen. And once you taste the flavor and aroma of the coffee you can get from a machine like this, we're convinced the maintenance is well worth it. We hope you found this video helpful, and above all, that it helps you decide whether this is the coffee maker you're looking for. See you.